Welcome, beautiful breathers. Come into a quiet space as we prepare for 2 rounds of Kaki Mudra Pranayama, or pursed lips breathing with breath holds. In every breath, we allow this pranic life force to expand, relaxing our body and quieting the mind of fear, self-doubt, and limitations. It is here that our focus becomes centered and aligned. We are better able to hear the whispers of the soul and tune in to the wisdom of our highest self, making our visions reality. So if you're ready, sit in a comfortable position with the spine straight, and let's begin. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Settling into the present moment, let go of your to-do list. Breathe in, breathe out. Drop the shoulders away from the ears. Relax the forehead. Breathe in, breathe out. Purse your lips. Take a full breath in through the lips. Pause. Slow breath out of the lips. So 7 breaths like this, as if you're sucking a straw. Really expanding the body and lungs, and releasing, letting out all the stagnant energy. Take it slow and controlled, yet still comfortable without feeling a lack of air. Good. And let's prepare for our breath holds. Take a full breath in. Breathe out, chin down. Take a full inhalation, raise your head, look up, suck a bit more air. Bring the chin down, hold the breath. Focus your gaze on the center of your eyebrows. When you want to breathe again, release the hold. Breathe out of pursed lips. Take a full inhalation. Come back to center, looking straight ahead. And continue for another 7 breaths through the lips. Every inhale fills your cells with vitality. Every exhale releases the weight of life's burdens, feeling lighter and more at peace. Good. Let's prepare for our breath holds. Take a full inhalation. Exhale, chin down. Full breath in, look up, bring the neck back. Chin down, hold the breath for as long as you comfortably can. Eyes focused in the center of the brows, maintaining this breathless state. If you haven't already, release the hold. Take a full inhalation. Exhale, let it go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Relax the lips. Exhale, return to your natural breathing. Feel this vast space within where positive energy is flowing. Rest here, letting everything settle. Beautiful. Breathe in. Breathe out. Connect to this calm state of bliss, intertwined in the higher self. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open to the divine creating through you. Begin to channel your wants, intentions, and wishes. Thinking of all the abundance you seek in this life. In health, relationships, family, career, personal growth, and attitude. What does this abundance look like? Get clear and focus your energy on the best case scenario. Beautiful. Repeat this mantra 3 times out loud or in your mind. I am open to receiving. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Visualize receiving all that you seek, cultivating prosperity and protection. All that is meant for you is already yours. How does it feel? Experience this joy, knowing that you are worthy. It is your time, and good things are coming. Be not afraid. Trust wholeheartedly that it's all working out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Beautiful. Feel free to continue sitting or close the practice with me by simply moving the fingers. Rub the palms of your hands together, generating gratitude. Bring your hands in prayer up to your third eye. Bow down in humility, thanking the divine and your highest self for the countless blessings. gently massage your face and body with kindness. May you be blessed with peace, love, and wisdom. Namaste.